Like I say, que yo le my sis, my dad. Yo, that's my show. Tell your friends. Come on, bomba cloud. Me the bono. Yo, listen, y'all. I'm about to kill it, y'all. I'm standing tall, y'all. Having these big cats feeling real small, y'all. Nah, I mean, teach niggas how to ball to their fall now. Now I'm saying I ain't playing right now, man. Now I'm saying I got the American swag, man. Now I'm saying, what you still hating on me, you fucking fag? Now I mean, you about to end up in a body bag. He talking shit about my people. He talking shit about my nationality. You don't like me, you hate us for a long time. That's all good. Yeah, I keep it all hood. Yeah, I bet you understood. Yeah, holla at your man, Tool on Quest. Yeah, Tool on Quest is in the motherfucking place to be. I see you hating on me with your ugly ass face. I'm putting more energy and more fucking lyrical bombs in this fucking music industry. Now I'm saying I'm killing them all about making that $1 million money. I'm hungry. Now I'm saying going crazy like a dog. I eat up everything. When I get faded and I get high, man, I just go crazy like I'm walking past by, like I'm in my whip doing drive-bys, shooting at my friends and my enemies. I don't know who my friends and my enemies are, so I'm going crazy like a celebrity superstar. Yeah, count it out, yo. Kasi nasuiti na tuti pakie. Kamu na sinanuna pa kasi que pa lama sis mother. Yo, that's my show. Tell your friends. Come on, did it, but I'ma be there for y'all in the end. Holla at me. Yo, I be getting it in, getting it out. What I'm talking about, putting balls out of my mouth. I'm the dude y'all can never ever doubt. Yeah, check it. Might check 1, 2. I come from 1 to 100. Cause I always keep it real with you, shorty. I keep it 100 with you all day, every night. You know what I'm saying? We need to keep your ass nice and tight. You know what I'm saying? I'ma always keep my ass quiet, then go hype, alright? Get it? Yeah, yeah, I'm wilding out. I'm wilding out like I'm on the television show called Wilding Out. Singing out of my mouth, spitting bars out of my mouth. Y'all know what I'm about. Yeah. Yeah, I'm about to head up north, and I'm gonna head back down south. Yeah, I'm killing the game. I'm doing my thing. Everybody gonna know my name because I be speaking mad heavy flames. I ain't fucking with y'all lames.